All right, the great Gonzo. Thank you, Gonzo. And now to the task at hand. The Game Award goes to... Cocoon!
The wires have been attached and secured to the headset and to the leg band. The perspiration has been wiped again from the condemned sport, and the hood is being placed on at this time.
Ralph, this is Commissioner.
Yes, sir.
There are no stays. You can proceed to carry out the official order of the court.
Very well. On my count of three, press your button. 1, 2, 3.